sponsored by Napa Auto Parts, located at 700 West Main Street in Paoli, Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Tuesday, December 4th. Tri-High-Y members, don't forget that this week is Jubilee, Christmas. There are things to do after school every day, but you're needed after school Tuesday and Wednesday, and then again on Saturday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Those participating in Velveteen Rabbit production need to check their emails and review the schedule. NJHS is sponsoring Pie in the Face fundraiser to help senior Kel Kibler and his family as he recovers from surgery. Money will be collected during lunch in the office, starting now until December 13th. Many teachers have added their name to the list of potential targets. Check this out for more info.
We want to see you get a pie in the face.
Bring your money into the office or during your lunch.
We will be collecting money November 26th to December 13th. All proceeds will go to Kel Kibler's family.
Don't forget to bring your money for Pie in the Face.
Me.
Twice.
Okay, your turn. Towards me.
Towards you.
Dang it!
We want a third, too.
Drama Club's dance workshop will be Thursday, December 6th. That has changed from the original date. Wear comfortable clothes. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. Attention students. Mr. Stroud, Mrs. Stout, Mrs. Matheny, and NHS students will be offering extra credit for each session students intend to review about ISTEP. And if a student brings a parent or guardian, they can gain extra points. ISTEP meetings will start this week, Monday 5 to 6, and Wednesdays 3:15 to 4:15, in Mr. Stroud's room. If you have any questions, please contact your math teacher. LRCC robotics teams will be selling Starbucks coffee and donuts this Friday, and next Friday outside the cafeteria from 7:45 to 8:30. And now to Colin with your Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Last night, the freshman boys team lost against Orleans, while junior high girls basketball defeated Salem. Tonight, boys wrestling will be at New Albany starting at 6. Girls JV and varsity basketball is hosting Lanesville, also starting at 6. Junior high girls basketball is playing North Harrison at home, and the boys basketball is traveling to Shawswick. Come support all your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Joni.
Your books are for sale for $35 in Mrs. Nichols' room. You can drop off money in the office or in room 115. If you have any questions, please contact Ms. Nichols. High school student council members should have their chocolate fundraisers complete and money turned in before Christmas break. And now to Ian with your weather report.
So as we go through your day, we only have about a 20% chance of some rain or snow through your day. So nothing much, but as we do head through your week, we could see some snow showers on Thursday and heading into weekend some on Saturday. For your weather today, we have a high of 37 and a low of 27. Heading through your week on Wednesday, we have a high of 33 and a low of 27. And on Thursday, a high of 41 and a low of 28. Back to you.
I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.